What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the cannot connect to App Store error you are getting on your iPad. First, let's verify your internet connection. Open up your mobile browser and search for speedtest.net. Run the speed test to make sure you have a stable connection. Your download speed should be at least a few megabits per second to connect to the App Store and download apps. If your connection is slow or unstable, swipe down from the top right of your iPad to open a control center. Toggle off your Wi-Fi and wait a few seconds and then toggle it back on. Alternatively, you can try switching to a different network connection, like your cellular data or another Wi-Fi network. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to check if the App Store itself is down. In your browser, search for DownDetector App Store or click on a link in the video description. Head to this site to check if there is a widespread issue with the App Store. If there is a significant spike in outages, it could be an issue with Apple's servers, and you just need to wait until they resolve it. Lastly, if none of the previous steps work, try closing and reopening the App Store, as it often eliminates any temporary bugs caused by the connection error. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Here, find and swipe up on the App Store to close it from running in the background. Then, open it again to see if the issue is fixed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.